Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Nikhil Pokre. I am from SKN SITS. My project name is Performance Analyzer on Student Feedback using Machine Learning Algorithm. This is my content. This is my few content: problem statement, scope, literature review, SRS, model, conclusion, and reference. Problem statement. The problem are formed as classification and regression. The regression sitting in considering when we aim to predict student assignment grades, where classification sitting is utilized when we seek to predict final student performance in entire course. It is considered a multi-class problem where the target class is whether student pass, fail, or withdrawal from the course. Next is a scope. We are taking feedback from student as circulating forwarded Google form. But this data is not enough for the training the data. That's why we using a Kaggle data set for training the data. Next is a literature review. We review the mainly five review paper. First is performance analyzer on student feedback using machine learning algorithm. Second is student performance prediction in online course using machine learning algorithm. Third is an efficient sentiment analysis on feedback assignment from student to provide better education. Fourth is aspect-based opinion mining on student feedback from facility teaching performance evaluation. Fifth is predicting student final academic performance using feature selection approach. This is a software requirement specification. We have we want the basic hardware for run the program. We use a Spider ID and language to use Python. This is a hardware requirement specification for my project. Model for the model we are using ANN algorithm. ANN means artificial neural network. ANN are a type of machine learning algorithm that can learn to recognize complex pattern in data and make accurate prediction based on those patterns. When it comes to predict feedback analysis, ANN can be used to analyze large data set of student feedback, identify common themes and issue, and make prediction about future feedback trend. For example, an ANN could be trained on a data set for student feedback to identify common themes such as issue with course material, difficulty with assignments, or problem with the learning environment. The ANN could then be used to predict which issues are likely to arise in future feedback, allowing educator to proactive address those issues before they became more serious. ANN can be used to analyze the sentiment of student feedback, such as positive or negative sentiment, and identify common themes or issues that are associated with those sentiments. This can provide value insight into areas where improvement are needed in order to enhance the overall student experience. Next slide present my friend Prathamesh. Next slide is data set. The data set is connected from a single form of data. The data is selected from the single form of data from the file. The deeper incidence of exchange monitor review the data is a the data set is selected. And we are collect data in the form of Google form, and we are data set. Next is data set. We are using a self-circulated Google form and Kaggle data set for the we have a large amount of data. It's not we use a Kaggle data set for train the data set. Next slide present, my friend Prathamesh.
This is a system architecture. User send a data set to the training. There are multiple operation performed on this data set. So first one is the data pre-processing. Next, feature extraction, and then we are use two algorithms are there, SVM and ANL algorithm. Then we are next one is the predict student feedback. Data pre-processing is a process of in this project. Data processing is a process of prepare the raw data and making it suitable for a machine learning model, and it is a first and crucial step while creating a machine learning model. And it is a real world, and data generally contain a noisy missing data values, maybe usable format will cannot be directly used in a machine learning model. Then next one is a feature extraction. Feature extraction refers to the process for transforming raw data into numerical feature that can be accessed while preserving the information in the organization dataset. It better result than apply machine learning directly to the raw data. And we are using here SVM model here. And SVM is a performer two types of operation like classification and regression. We are here SVM classifier offer good accuracy and perform fast prediction compared to other algorithm like Naive Bayes algorithm. The objective of SVM algorithm is find a hyperparameter n dimension space. And then last one is a predict the student feedback and then generate our display result. This is our design. First is a feedback collect from the student like Kaggle, on a Kaggle data set and form a Google form. Next one is a data pre-processing, feature extraction, and we are using here two models, SVM and ANN, and the output display like in the user to user.
This is our main project snapshot. This is a login page. This is our main model training data. With the model training, their train we can display the recall value and precision value. Check there we can show the this main fundamental values, voice quality, subject knowledge, communication skill, interaction, study material, and syllabus coverage. We can predict the data from giving the value of the zeros and one format. This way we presenting the result of our project. This is a GitHub repo for my team leader Aniket Wazarkar. There we put all the data in all the data. Conclusion: a student feedback management system is working to inquire about pointer and their slats and understanding procedure circumstance criticism. This strategy will be useful to improve student knowledge and educator process for convenience. Automating the student feedback may give several advantages together with saving price, time, and creating economical report regeneration. The opening mining will facilitate in summarizing the feedback report effectively and evaluates school performance in the type of summarized read might be useful for the establishment. This is a reference where we check our project. Thank you for my side. Ma'am, any question?